Let's look at some examples where we are going to classify the given differential equation in terms of type, order, and linearity. Let's look at our first example. Let's first classify this equation according to type. It will either be an ordinary differential equation or a partial differential equation. Notice that in this example, we have ordinary derivatives. We have a third ordinary derivative and a first ordinary derivative. So we're going to label this as an ODE. And now let's talk about order. The highest order derivative in this example is a third order derivative. So this differential equation is a third order equation. And now we have to see if it's linear or nonlinear. Notice that the dy dx term is raised to a power of 4. Because it's not just a power of 1, this equation is nonlinear. Any power other than 1 will make it nonlinear. Let's now look at our second example. In this example, we have ordinary derivatives, y double prime and y prime. So this is an ODE. The highest order derivative is a second derivative. So this is a second order differential equation. In this equation, there are no terms with y or its derivative multiplied together or raised to a power other than 1, and there's no y inside a nonlinear function. This is a nonlinear function but has an x inside of it. So this equation we can classify as linear. Let's now look at example 3. Just like the first two examples, this equation is an ordinary differential equation because it has an ordinary derivative, y double prime. So we'll write down ODE. The derivative in this equation is a second derivative, so this is a second order differential equation. And then, because we have a term, y times y double prime, we classify this equation as nonlinear. Let's now look at our last example. This differential equation has partial derivatives. There are 3 of them. Because of that, we are going to label this as a partial differential equation, which we'll abbreviate as PDE. All the derivatives are second derivatives, so this is a second order differential equation. And then there are no nonlinear terms, so this is a linear equation. And that's it. You now know how to correctly classify a differential equation by identifying its type, order, and linearity.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.